Amber baked potatoes for dinner. Now let's try to diagram this sentence. This image shows a sentence diagram for the sentence Amber baked potatoes for dinner. So sentence diagramming is a way to visually represent the grammatical structure of a sentence. So let's break down the specific diagram. The main horizontal line or the baseline, this is the foundation of the diagram. So the core elements of the sentence, the subject, the verb, direct object, sit on this line. The main vertical line dividing the subject and predicate. So this line cuts through the baseline, separating the subject of the sentence from the predicate. The verb immediately to the right of the main vertical line on the baseline is the verbs baked. So this is the action that Amber performed. So the short vertical line dividing verb and direct object. So this short vertical line sits on the baseline and separates the verb from the direct object. It does not go through the baseline. To the right of the line, this line also on the baseline. So is the direct object, potatoes. Potatoes directly receive the action of baked. Amber baked what? Potatoes. The preposition phrase for dinner. So this part of the diagram shows a phrase that modifies the verb baked. So it tells when or for what purpose Amber baked the potatoes. Diagonal line for the preposition. The word for is a preposition. So it's placed on a diagonal line that extends down from the baseline. So usually from beneath word it modifies. So in this case, baked. The horizontal line for object of preposition. So the word dinner is the object of the preposition for. So it sits on the short horizontal line connected to the end of the diagonal line. Alright, so in summary, Amber is our subject, baked is our verb, potatoes, our direct object, and for dinner, that is the prepositional phrase modifying baked.